ensuring supply in the compliance space is a much more complex situation. Simply shipping product from point A to point B is now complicated by the fact that you have to accompany it with data, and you have to have that data there when the product arrives, or else the product is not movable as far as the regulations are concerned. The important thing here is that you have a solution that you trust that will move data and product in the formats as required so that people are receiving your product in timely fashion without interruption to the supply chain. This is compliance. And the problem becomes that if you are on your own, homegrown solutions, or with a non-valuable solution, you come in at a competitive disadvantage. Because if your products are not being able to be moved in the supply chain because your documentation isn't correct, the data is not correct, suddenly your products are not viable to move forwards and people are choosing your competitors. So you have to look at this with a much wider scope to say the important thing here is to ensure that we never miss a sale. And that is by having a supply chain solution for serialization that never fails. This is really important for companies to understand because a lot of energy goes into the manufacturing process, labeling, distribution, to ensure that the product is in the right place at the right time. Supply chain entities need the data and the product to arrive together in the right format at the right time. If you haven't selected the right partners to work with along the way, this becomes a continuous problem. As regulations change in different markets, your teams are called upon to update not only the basic things around labeling, but how you're managing the data and how it's going out the door. It becomes an ongoing effort that doesn't go away. This is not only delivering product from point A to point B, this is about ensuring the actual authentic product is getting into the hands of customers. Do people trust your company to deliver quality medicines to them? And the one thing about that you need to do to ensure that is that serialization and traceability are working for you to make sure that your products are always the ones in the hands of your patients and not a counterfeit.